Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I have another tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and begin and jump right into this tutorial. So to start off, as my base, I like to use a Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. My skin is usually oily, but around this time, I'm super dry. And I find that when I use a mattifying primer, I just get way more oily, since your skin, all it knows is to produce oils. If you don't hydrate and you're oily, what's going to happen is you're just going to become even more oily. So make sure to hydrate, ladies. And going in with my foundation, I'm using the foundation that I've been obsessed with. It's a 24-hour flawless coverage, non-creasing foundation by BeBella Cosmetics. I love this foundation. It closes up my pores. My skin looks so nice and flawless all day. I also use this for concealer in about 2 to 3 shades lighter. It is also a concealer, so it's non-creasing as well, so that's why I'm obsessed. My foundation and my under eyes stay bomb. And this is in the shade Dirty Nude, so this is about like 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm using this mainly to highlight underneath my eyes. I don't like to highlight too much. I create more definition with contour. And setting it, I am using my banana powder by Ben Nye, and I'm patting this in with my beauty blender on the areas mainly where I like to bring a little bit more light, so on the center of my chin, underneath my eyes, and the center of my forehead. And then with all over the face brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. But I like to pack this in to my oily parts so I can prevent myself from getting more oily throughout the day, if that makes sense. And the brushes that I'm using are by Le Beauty Soy. These brushes are so soft. This is from the LeBlanc set. This is a dual fiber brush, so it's perfect for contouring. It's so good. I barely started using this about like a month ago, and I've been obsessed. I'm like, why have not used this before? And yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of duck lips and going around my forehead, down my chin and down my neck, just to make sure everything is nice and blended. And of course, we're cutting a little bit of the contour just to clean it up a little bit so it can look nice and sharp and give me that Kim K cheeks. I don't know. And with a small little blending brush by RV Cosmetics, I'm gonna go ahead and contour the sides of my nose. I feel like my nose is crooked. I need a nose job, but contour kind of like hides it a bit, so they came through. And yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm doing like my regular face routine, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, this is literally what I do all the time. I highlight the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose. I highlight the high points of my brow, and I'm gonna use the same brush to highlight a little bit in my inner corner, and of course the Cupid's bow. And next, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the eyes. I'm taking the RV Cosmetics Sassy palette, and I'm taking, of course, an RV Cosmetics blending brush and taking this right into my crease. I'm only gonna use 2 shades, this pink and then a blue. You guys can intensify this up to your liking. I'm gonna do a soft color. I'm not gonna do something too intense, but I am gonna use like a pop of blue to bring out the eyeshadow a little more. And yeah, we're just blending. And next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this yellow shade to kind of blend out and add a little bit more of a transitional shade to the top and the highlight of my brow bone. And it'll just make the colors look a bit more like prettier, and you can see like the gradient effect of all the colors. And remember, ladies, that's always a point. You want to make sure that you're not overlayering your colors. You still want to see every single color that you're depositing, so either pack one a little bit higher or pack a color a little bit lower. And now with the flat Morphe brush, it's a synthetic flat brush. It's better for picking up your like pigments or any shimmers. I'm taking this brush and packing this right onto my lid. You guys can clean your lid, you don't have to, but I like to cut my crease a little bit just so when I pack this color on top, it looks a little bit more vibrant. And that's basically it. I popped some lashes on and some lipstick. I didn't really do a full tutorial. I have the clips, but somehow they got deleted. But anyways, you guys get the gist. I finished my face before this, and I popped on a red, like a burgundy red lip. I don't know what brand it's from, but I'll go ahead and link it down in the description when I figure it out. And yeah, that's basically all it, a fast little tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like I said earlier. And thank you guys so much for watching my tutorials. Honestly, it really means a lot that you guys come and stop by. Thank you.